Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use n8n, one of the most popular automation tools out there, completely free. Normally it costs at least $20 per month plus hosting fees, but I'll show you how to skip all that and get started without spending a single penny. By the end of this video, I'll have your own n8n setup running smoothly, ready to automate tasks, connect apps, and save time without opening your wallet. At first, for those who don't know, n8n is an open source workflow automation tool. Think of it as your personal assistant for connecting apps and automating repetitive tasks like connecting Gmail, Google Sheets, Slack, Discord, and hundreds of other services without writing a single line of code. On their official cloud platform, n8n starts at $20 per month, and you need additional hosting if you want more control. But because it's open source, we can actually run it ourselves for free, and that's what I'm going to teach you today. At first, we will come over to this website render.com, and here we will create an account by clicking on get started. We can use our GitHub accounts or just simply our Google account to sign up. Now this will send a confirmation link in your email, what you just need to confirm. Then you need to fill up these steps, that how did you found this website and for what purpose you're gonna use this. You know, to select it as you like. You can follow what I am using here as well. After you complete it, you need to go for continue. Now here you need to select web services and go for exciting image option here and give here this URL. I will share in the video description, and from here you can choose any model reason and go for the free. Okay, and then deploy your web services. So it will take up to 3 minutes and give you the link. But if you notice, you will see there's some limitation for this, as it's a free account. If it stay inactive for 15 minutes, it will shut down. We are going to use another trick where we will keep this keep this n8n workflow active for all the time. So for this, we will use another tool here. Before that, if you found this type of survey, you can just complete this one and then go for started. It's up to you. Okay, so get started. You can see that we got everything here. Now we will use a license key to active our n8n here. Go for setting, and we just need to give here our activation key, and that's it. We're all done. Our n8n workflow is ready to work. And now, as we told you that as the n8n we are using, it's free and have some limitation. So we need to keep this on with this automation cron jobs. So we'll create an account here in cronjob.org with our Gmail, and we're gonna copy this n8n link, go for cron job and create a new cron job, and here in the URL we will paste the link, and we will schedule this for every 5 minutes. Okay, I can say it's 15, but we'll make this every 5 minutes. So after every 5 minutes it will send a request to our n8n, and it will keep this n8n active. So all done, we are ready to work on our n8n, and that's it. You now have a fully working n8n automation platform without spending a single penny. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more automation tips, and drop a comment if you want me to cover advanced n8n workflows. See you in the next one.